Alicia was my friend who recommended these tips to fight foot fungus, and it has helped me a lot. Thank you very much. These home remedies to fight against foot fungus will not leave you indifferent. Fungal infection is most commonly seen in toenails than in the hands. The causes of this condition starts when the fungus can be introduced through the surface of the toenails as a result of its separation, no matter how small, of the nail from the nail bed. Usually it affects men more than women and are more common in adults over 60 years. Here I present 5 home remedies to eliminate and prevent fungus toenails. 1. White vinegar or apple cider vinegar. Place your feet for 15 minutes in a liter of water, as hot as you can stand, which will have incorporated a cup of vinegar. Repeat twice a day, several days, until you see the results. You can also apply apple cider vinegar with a brush directly on the affected nail. 2. Remove fungus with garlic. Garlic is an excellent antifungal. Boil 5 cloves of garlic in a cup of water. In a basin of hot water, enter the water with the garlic. Keep your feet for 15 minutes. Repeated for 4 weeks. 3. Cooking salt. Wash your feet and leave wet nails. On the affected nail, place cooking salt and put cotton socks. Repeat this twice a day. 4. Tea tree oil. The tea tree oil is one of the most effective treatments for fungus toenails. Should apply tea tree oil directly on the nail 2 or 3 times a day. This recipe should not be used by young children. It is recommended before using tea tree oil. Make an allergy test. Some people may be allergic to this oil. 5. Vicks VapoRub. Although it is an ointment to combat the cold, it can also be used to remove fungus toenails. Wash your feet and dry, then apply the ointment twice a day. Important: to prevent fungus is essential to dry feet well. You can only use a towel to dry after showering and can also use the hair dryer hot air to dry them more effectively.